Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best rhinestone banding is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching embellishments you can add to your crafts and projects. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, the shimmering allure of rhinestone banding can instantly elevate the look of anything from clothing and accessories to home decor items. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of rhinestone banding, exploring different types, applications, and tips to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Towenm Rhinestone Chain, 2mm crystal, 10 yards. This Towenm rhinestone chain comes in a 10-yard roll. The rhinestone size is SS6, which is 2mm. It's perfect for adding sparkle to your projects. The close chain is linked by a mesh grid, making it easy to cut with scissors. You can sew it on or glue it to your desired surface for your DIY decorations. Made with a brass clasp and glass rhinestones, this chain is not made of acrylic. The quality materials ensure a beautiful and durable finish for your crafts. Use it to decorate your phone case, shoes, garment, or even your wedding veil. The possibilities are endless with this sparkling chain. Please pay attention to the size in mm when choosing. Due to lighting and manual measurement, there might be slight differences in color and size. What we like. This rhinestone banding is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. It's made with glass rhinestones, giving it a premium look and feel. If you're looking to add some sparkle to your fashion jewelry or decorate your phone case, you should consider this one. What people say. I have ordered 3 rolls so far from this company and they are all absolutely beautiful, perfect, no flaws. The quality is exceptional, with a brillo and authenticity that's superior en mis expectativas. Exactly as described pictured, very high quality, easy to cut and use. Number 4. Fashewelry 2mm black rhinestone chain. This rhinestone chain is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. It features dazzling rhinestones that catch the light beautifully. It's sure to brighten up your designs. The chain comes in a 10-yard roll, neatly spooled for easy use and storage. The design allows you to keep your workspace tidy. It's convenient and ready for your creative projects. Made from electrophoresis brass and sparkling rhinestones, this trim is built to last. The materials give it an exquisite appearance and a sturdy texture. You can rely on it for long-term use. Use it to decorate a variety of items, from wedding decorations to clothing and accessories. It's also great for DIY jewelry and craft projects. The possibilities are endless with this chain. The rhinestones are linked by a metallic mesh grid, making it easy to cut to your desired length. Simply match it with your items to create pretty and creative handicrafts. It's simple to use. What we like. This rhinestone chain features a dazzling design that catches the light beautifully. Made with electrophoresis brass, it's built to last. If you want something that will make your designs more bright and attractive, you should consider this one. What people say. Great banding for all your crafting projects. I do a lot of techniques that looks really nice outlined with this banding and it sparkles. Easy to use, and have never had any issues with it. Very good quality. Recommend. Exactly what I was hoping for my crafting purpose, very pretty and easy to apply to project, cuts easy without falling apart and shiny but not gaudy, good value, worth the price. Used it to embellish sari blouses, loved it. Number 3. Crystal Cup Chain Rhinestone Trim, 10 yards. This stunning trim features dazzling crystal rhinestones. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. The crystals are a brilliant crystal clear color. It will catch the light beautifully and add elegance to whatever you are working on. It comes in various sizes, including SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12, and SS16. You can choose the perfect size for your specific needs. Made with glass rhinestones and a durable metal base, it won't rust. The quality is excellent, ensuring a long-lasting sparkle. You can easily trim the chain with scissors. It's perfect for sewing or gluing onto various surfaces for your DIY projects. Use it to decorate phone cases, shoes, clothing, headbands, and more. The possibilities are truly endless with this versatile trim. What we like. This crystal trim is super sparkly and eye-catching, perfect for adding a touch of glamour. It's available in multiple sizes to suit your needs. If you're looking for something that will not rust and is well made, you should consider this one. What people say. The crystal cup chain in its silver setting adds the perfect amount of sparkle and glam to my DIY clothing projects. It's easy to work with, flexible enough to shape around edges, and durable once sewn or glued in place. The crystals are so shiny. You would think that they were actual diamonds. They bling and reflect like beautifully. Number 2. Juvale Gold Rhinestone Trim Chain, DIY Crafts. Introducing the Juvale Gold Rhinestone Trim Chain. It's perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your crafts. This trim is ideal for creating stunning rhinestone appliques. Easily attach this rhinestone trim to fabric or wood. You can sew it on or use adhesive. It's great for customizing gift wrap or adding sparkle to your clothes. Instantly transform your decorative items with this elegant trim. The shimmering crystal rhinestones add sophistication to any project. It's perfect for adding flair to your holiday crafts. The 11-yard roll gives you plenty of trim to work with. You can tailor your designs to fit your needs. Create unique embellishments for clothing or personalized gifts. Enjoy a generous supply of gold rhinestone chain trim. This allows for limitless creative pursuits. Whether you're designing outfits or intricate fringe, the possibilities are endless with it. What we like. This gold rhinestone trim adds a touch of luxury to any project. It's ideal for crafting rhinestone appliques or adding a festive touch to your decor. If you like a luxurious finish on your projects, you should consider this one. What people say. The product is exactly what I was looking for and the quality is great. It was easy to use and the perfect finishing touch to my project. The banding is beautiful and the rhinestones are sparkly. Number 1. Dowarm Rhinestone Chain Roll, 10 yards, Crystal AB, SS62 mm. This is a 10-yard roll of sparkling rhinestone chain. It's perfect for adding some bling to your crafts and projects. You'll love how it catches the light. The chain comes in various rhinestone sizes, including SS6, SS8, SS12, and SS16. You can choose the perfect size for your specific needs. It's easy to customize your project. The rhinestone chain is linked by a mesh grid, making it easy to cut with scissors. You can sew it on or glue it to your desired surface. It's a simple way to add some sparkle. Made with brass clasps and glass rhinestones, this chain is not made of acrylic. It's durable and adds a touch of elegance to any project. It's a great choice for your DIY creations. Use it to decorate phone cases, shoes, clothing, and more. It's also great for making jewelry, embellishing handbags, or adding sparkle to wedding decorations. The possibilities are endless with it. Please pay attention to the size when choosing. There might be slight differences in color and size compared to the actual item. Enjoy your crafting with this beautiful chain. What we like. This rhinestone chain is easy to cut and apply to your projects. It's made with glass rhinestones, giving it a premium look and feel. If you are looking for a versatile chain for your DIY decorations, you should consider this one. What people say. Really great product. The product quality is excellent. The rhinestones sparkled beautifully, catching the light and adding a dazzling effect. Beautiful stones, great to work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.